Welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about the most common and most occurring error, the blue screen error. We often see this during the Windows boot process, and because of it, Windows fails to start. In this video, I will show you the complete process and all the commands you can use to fix this error without reinstalling Windows. Before starting the video, let's understand why this error occurs. There can be many causes for the blue screen error, but most often it happens because the winload.efi file is missing or corrupted. Winload.efi is a Windows bootloader file located inside the Windows folder under System32. On UEFI-based systems, during the startup process, it helps initialize the Windows kernel, essential drivers, and the HAL hardware abstraction layer. It acts as a bridge between the UEFI firmware and the operating system. When this file becomes corrupted or goes missing from Windows, the operating system cannot boot properly, and we see the blue screen error. Today, we will fix this file using commands, so you don't have to reinstall Windows, and all your data remains safe. So without wasting time, let's get to the video. Welcome to my channel, Technicio. First, I will turn on my laptop and show you the blue screen error caused by winload.efi. You can see the corrupted file and its location, as well as the error code below it. To run the necessary commands, we need to open Command Prompt. For that, we must enter the recovery environment. You can see here that I have an option to press F1 to enter recovery environment. If you don't see that option, you can force shut down your system 3-4 times during Windows loading. The system will then automatically take you to the recovery environment. From there, you can open Command Prompt. Alternatively, you can create a bootable USB, choose Repair My System instead of Windows installation, and then open Command Prompt from there. I will simply press F1 to go to the recovery environment. First, I will select my keyboard layout. I'll choose US, but you can choose according to your keyboard. Then I'll go to Troubleshoot and open Command Prompt. You'll notice that the directory is automatically set to Windows System32, but we need the sources directory. If you open Command Prompt from a bootable USB, it will open the sources directory by default. Since this is the recovery environment, it opens System32. To go to the sources directory, I'll type cd and press Enter, then type cd sources and press Enter. Now our directory is sources. I have written all the commands in sequence in a PDF. The link to that PDF is in the description, so you can use them without any mistakes. First command, bootrec/fixmbr. Press Enter. Operation completes. Second command, bootrec fixboot. If you get an access is denied error, run an extra command first, then repeat the second command. The extra command is bootsect nt60sys. After that, run bootrec fixboot again. Third command, bootrec rebuild bcd. This will scan all disks for Windows installations. After scanning, it will show total identified Windows installations 0 because our winload.efi is corrupted. Next, run DiskPart. This takes you to the Microsoft DiskPart utility. Then run list volume. This lists all created volumes. We need to find the EFI volume, which is FAT32 formatted and about 500 MB in size. On my system, the EFI volume is volume number 2. So I will type select volume 2, DiskPart selects volume 2. Now assign a drive letter to it by giving a command, assign letter dext. You can assign any letter you like. After assigning, type exit to leave DiskPart. Now we need to go to the boot directory of the EFI volume. Type T:, replace T with your assigned drive letter. CD EFI, CD Microsoft, CD boot. Now we are in the boot directory of the EFI volume. Run this command, attrib bcd-h-r-s. Then rename the bcd file, ren bcd space bcd.old. After these steps, we rebuild the bcd file again. bootrec/rebuild bcd. This time, the system will scan and show total identified Windows installations 1, meaning Command Prompt has detected the Windows installation. It will ask if you want to add the installation to the boot list. Choose Yes, type A for all, and press Enter. Next, we will scan the system to automatically repair any corrupted files in the Windows EFI partition or boot folder. Run sfc/scan now/off boot-der/off win-der Windows. Command prompt will scan all boot directories and automatically repair any corrupted files. This process may take some time. As you can see, it has repaired the corrupted files on my system. Finally, for GPT systems I am using a GPT-based system, we need to recreate the GPT boot files. Run bcdboot c, Windows is T:\f all, replace T with the drive letter you assigned earlier. After this command, you will see a message that boot files have been created successfully. Our process is complete here. Finally, type exit and start Windows. As you can see, my system starts without any blue screen error, and Windows opens as it is. I did not have to reinstall the OS. If I show you my system info, you can see this is the same Lenovo laptop that was showing the blue screen error. So, with these few commands, you can recreate the winload.efi file and remove all errors without reinstalling Windows. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Technicio, and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from our channel. Together, let's end tech tantrums. Thank you.